Yes, we have progress on my grandpa's lawnmower. Finally! Thank the Lord heaven! So, this is the official video, I see. I see it has a twin, I see. Maybe the twin gets its own video once this thing is done. I know 3 parts of this sucker has already been recorded. I don't want to start another series. If this video gets enough comments and likes, or this thing actually manages to start this time, oh my god, I'm going to be so happy. And plus, rabbit mode, because we are fire, boy. Yes, this is the final test. Pulling this up. What does that do? I'm pulling that back over to my side. If this thing doesn't start, yes, you have to press this. I learned that. I'm just an 11-year-old. God. No hate, please, no hate. So, let's get to this chase. Either this works or no. Let's get some flashlight on. Yes, I'm in my grandparents' backyard doing this. Let's go. You guys watch the engine while I'm doing this. At least you have a POV of the lawnmower. Ah! Bruh, Phil, quick, start. Okay, it worked, kinda. Well, comment if you don't want the series to end.